Take two.
Hi, I'm Rob Fabric and my wife Mandy from England. We've come to Parla Clinic to get our teeth sorted out because my teeth was worn right down to the gum lines, top and bottom, and I've had no back teeth for at least 30 years. And my wife decided to have hers done on my first visit, and we've had quite an experience getting it done here at that. We finally got to all the hotels that we've stayed in are very good. And private taxis there and from the airport, even from the hotel, backwards and forwards. And Steve has looked after us all the way. Don't know what else to say. Hopefully we're going to be happy with that. But it's just gone. Thank you, Parla Clinic.